Hey everyone, I just want to take the moment to say thank you for all your support you've shown my channel. I've really enjoyed building this community with you, especially those of you that come back and watch my videos every week. When the transmission on my Honda Navi failed, I wasn't sure what I was going to do next. But after reading all your comments and seeing how many of you guys wanted me to rebuild it and keep making Navi content, it really motivated me to take on that challenge of rebuilding the Navi's transmission. And again, I can't thank all of you guys enough that's left a comment, liked the video, or continues to support my channel week after week. It genuinely means a lot to me, and because of your encouragement and support, I hope you guys enjoy this series that I'm going to make, where I take on the challenge of rebuilding the Navi's transmission. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, no matter how much I try to wiggle it or try to move it, it looks like it's not really budging. And I'm not a weak guy by any stretch of the imagination.
Stop it. Get some help.
So recently, I actually got this clip from YouTube sent to me by one of my subscribers. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is a clip that someone from our YouTube community sent to me to see if I can get the backplate off the variator on the bike. And personally, I think this is one of the things that kind of makes this whole motorcycling community awesome. So if you need this jog gear puller, I got this off Amazon, and the link is in the description below. Okay, so here's the gear jaw that I bought. Let's go see if this takes the back plate off of the variator on the Navi.
A few moments later.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
The gear jaw got it out. Okay, now that I got the back plate off of the crank, I think the next thing I'm going to do is use a little bit of brake clean and clean some of that stuff out. Just got to be a little careful with it. And yeah, I guess the next question is do I go with the S23 kit or do I go OEM on the transmission? What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Again, I appreciate all of you guys stopping by and watching another one of my videos. Till next time.